Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone's location is on and Viber has permission to access it. This ensures accuracy. Once done, open Viber and go directly into the chat or group where you want to share. Tap the plus or paperclip attach button to bring up media options, then choose location. Doing this first avoids delays and guarantees the app can pin your position. It also prepares you for either sending a single pin or starting live sharing, depending on what you need. Now decide whether to send a static map pin or share live location. You do this because each has different uses. For meeting, choose send location and move the pin to the exact spot, and add a short note so others know context. For moving trips, pick share live location, then set the duration if Viber offers time choices. This allows recipients to follow you in real time. Finally, tap send. This step-by-step gives recipients the right info and prevents misunderstandings about where you are. Finish by checking the chat to confirm the location message arrived and displays correctly. This ensures everyone can navigate. If you shared live, make sure to stop sharing when finished by tapping stop or using the message options to revoke access. If the location fails to send or shows wrong position, toggle app location permissions, enable high-accuracy GPS, and restart Viber. That usually resolves syncing problems. If problems persist, asking recipients to update their app can also help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.